Hi everyone! Today we're going to make an easy do-it-yourself macrame hanging tray for beginners. For this pattern you'll need 3mm 3-ply cords, a small wooden ring and a small wooden tray. We start off by making 20 spiral knots, then we skip 15 centimeters and make 3 switch knots, then we skip another 15 centimeters to make 20 spiral knots, and then we skip another 15 centimeters to make 10 square knots. We end the pattern with a gathering knot. Fold 8 cords of 5 meters or 197 inches in half and pull them evenly through your wooden ring. And make a gathering knot. For photo instructions and a handy knot guide, you can go to macrameforbeginners.com. For more info about this pattern and the supplies that I used, please check the video description. This tray hanger has 4 sections for which the pattern repeats. Select 4 cords that are close to each other and make your first 20 spiral knots. You can learn how to make the spiral knot and other knots with a handy knot guide including photo instructions on macrameforbeginners.com. Take the next 4 cords and repeat making 20 spiral knots. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Skip 15 centimeters or 6 inches and start making 3 switch knots. To make a switch knot, we first make a normal square knot and then we switch the working cords with the holding cord, so in the end we have more cords to work with. Skip another 15 centimeters or 6 inches and make 20 more spiral knots. Again, skip 15 centimeters or 6 inches and make your 10 final square knots. Now fit your tray to determine where your last gathering knot goes. Now cut off all your excess cord and make a fringe. And this is the end result. You can find a blog post on macrameforbeginners.com with written instructions for this pattern and a knot guide. See you there! Happy knotting!